people of Nigeria, beautiful people of Africa, beautiful people of Europe, beautiful people of America, beautiful people of Asia, beautiful people of Authentica, beautiful people of Australia. You know, the continent they don't call the multiply now. I hear say they just discover one continent now where human beings fit survive. You know, you don't discover that now. So if this world don't tire you,
see another planet.
if this earth don't tire you, if you just pack your load, go that continent, I mean a planet. You know, they don't discover that. They say human can actually survive in that planet. They don't give.
I don't they think maybe person relocate to another planet.
At least make we come over this planet for this Nigerian government. But you don't say small thing remain now. You forgot to Uranian. Uranian.
You don't see
small thing now.
Now Uranian.
Uranian. United African Republic.
My name is Bamidele Okpemebelo. And I'm from Uranian.
Uranian. I'm a Uranian.
I'm a Uranian.
The talk where not the twist. They want make we the twist our talk at all cost. Nothing we person over here for this country. Now, if to say wait, I want to ask one question now. If to say that it cost K true now, all the people in Nigeria don't borrow money from, why don't come collect their money?
Now same. Can't collect it from
Nigeria. One chance.
Yeah, now
Uranian. Now Nigeria they owe you, not be we Uranian. Oh God, not everyone's not go here for this government like you always they talk.
There's a big use of catch cruise.
Catch cruise turn us to joke material. Imagine, just come overnight and they want to turn Nigeria to United Africa Republic. So the whole Africa and only we now can carry their problem put for because we republic all of them. I beg, ladies and gentlemen, that's how we open the portmanteau today. This one and that one show where they tell us they get in mind to chook mouth for all the matters where other programs that they fit chook mouth put. And as they say, I'm Nami Osagiato, that fine, proud, Billy boy, all of that they call talk. Now just sit down here. So, and I'm not there alone. As usual, I still there without my honorable fellow.
Now your boy, Bamidele Okpemebelo, now my name, where everybody they call MC Bob. And we there for inside the Portmanteau studio where we say we bring out the topic as the hot. Mona no go.
That's so. Those of that one I know us, I know in our coffee we go collect. So those of that one I just watch us for the very first time. And our cup of coffee now won't go collect. So make not go anywhere. We they come back. And so, love you.
Yeah, boss.
The first way we they look to the top Portmanteau,
Yeah, boss.
Something happened to me recently. So I want to ask you whether you have don't encounter that kind something before. Now, you don't ever offer somebody help willingly with your short mind. Just say, okay, make I offer this person help or assistance. You understand? Make the person tell you, say, he no need am. You understand? With your short mind, though, you see this person, say this person need help. In so area. You can't go meet her, say, come on, Alpha, can I offer you assistance? Now the person tell you, say, he no need your assistance. As you turn, say, make you dey go, you never even reach 5 minutes. Now the person rush, follow you, say, bros, I beg, that help you want help me just now. I beg, I need that. It don't happen to you before. If yes, what do? You still offer the help or you withhold your help?
Yeah, the one will happen to me. You know, as a test piano in the theoretical world.
Okay.
That will not be instant safe. That one after some time. So you get one play with the rehearse. The rehearse for one play. So one of the principal actors for that play, they try prompt them for in line. You know, see the prompt actor.
Yeah.
He go tell me, say make I shut up. Say make I no prompt them. Say he know in line.
You know in line.
Say they form pro. You get. So you go fail again. Me I go on because for that production we don't get any prompter.
Okay.
You get now. Though normally now state manager, so production manager supposed prompt. He no prompt. So me I want to try help him. He come meet me for back. Say please.
Don't prompt me again.
Stop doing that. You're distracting me. Stop prompting me. So I say I'm sorry. No vex. He can't reach when he need down. Go.
When he need a prompter.
Yes. He can't dey wait. They tap finger. They do everything. I no talk. But something within me say make I help am. say this person, he come dey try locate me, he come dey try do everything. I come prompt am say make I just forgive am, prompt am because he insult me.
Use your church
In
mind.
my church mind, just prompt am. As he finish, he just come hug me, say thank you. As he say, you see
So
why
you need this thing.
you need there before, so you can't dey form say this thing. Now that time when you can't need that more.
That
It to say I no use my church mind there. Now so for hang.
Thank God that you are a born again Christian.
I'm a
Because
boy.
now only born again Christian I go fit do that kind of thing. You know, this thing, like I tell you earlier on, it happened
boss.
to me. That's why I say I go carry a con studio. You see, the way it happened to me, I at the on top pedestrian bridge. You know, so we dey descend the pedestrian bridge. I can't see one visually impaired man. You understand? He
Yeah.
was struggling to descend the pedestrian bridge stairs. You understand? So as I say, this guy dey struggle with these stairs. So I can't go meet am closely. I can't say, sir, please, can you hold my hand? Let me help you down the stairs. The man, if you see the way the man just hit me, leave me. Did I tell you that I cannot climb the stairs myself? I can't say, oh, sorry. I can't descend the staircase. I go down. So where we dey wait, because it gets where we go, the bridge go, where the bridge drop us, we get to cross one service lane.
Okay.
Before we go fit go the other side where we fit enter vehicle. So where I stand, the wait make the service lane clear, make I cross. And so I come see one man. The man just stand near me, say, please, can you help me cross? Can you help me cross? When I come turn, I come see say, na this same visually impaired man, where I say I wan help on top bridge, where he say he no need my help. Na he come still dey meet me now say make I help am cross. I come look this man, I say if I no help this man cross, na people go say I'm wicked, and nobody wey pray make him dey that in situation. So na so I come hold him hand, I come help am cross. God dey say thank you. Apparently maybe he no know say na me be the person wey he first.
And bros, you for tell am.
I no need to tell am, because if I tell her, I no still make any difference. You understand what I'm trying to say? If I tell her, I no make difference, because it's visually impaired.
Yes.
You know, that is why. So I just help am cross. After we cross, can you tell me thank you? I say, do you need any other assistance? I say, no, I'm good from here.
As a born again Christian wey you be, bros, you use your church mind.
I still use church mind.
What ordinarily me I go waka comot and say, you say what?
But initially
I
I felt embarrassed though, because people come dey look me say abi wan do the man bad thing because him dey visually impaired. You see the way he hit my hand, leave me, did I tell you I cannot descend the stairs? Omo, and so I just face my own way I go. Later na me still help am cross. You know, you see this life, you know. So our viewers at home, we just share our own experience of how we initially offer to help or to render assistance to somebody where they turn us down, they turn our help down. You know, then later they came to us and say they still need that our help, which we offered. So if you don't did that kind of situation before, where we say you offer to help somebody at one situation or the other, you know, whether advice or you just help, any help whatsoever, and the person say no, he no need your help, where the person later come meet you say, that help where you be want do just now, he don't come need am, you still help am, or you withhold your help. Na so, Bobby. I love you so.
Na so, Bobby.
All right now, Bobby. Na so we go to enter the very first matter on top the pot matter today. This one make me laugh.
Okay.
He make me laugh small, not be small. He make me laugh small. They catch one man and one woman. Wetin make you laugh? You don't know wetin they catch them for.
As I am man and woman.
In short, make I simplify am.
Na this raining period.
Make I simplify am. They catch one married man and one half married woman. Semi-married. Because according to the woman, she's semi-married. They catch them. I think this one I do because the language that they speak for the background of the video. I know say na my area, Benin and that kind of thing happen. So they can't catch one
area there.
Full-fledged married man and the semi-married woman. Say two of them they suswanu and then they giripa themselves. You know, so it was a
for this cold weather.
Bros, it not be the weather matter for this harsh economy. So when I catch them now, people call the video them. Why I bring this matter come on top the portmanteau now? I want make we bisect and dissect that video.
Okay.
You understand me now?
Yeah.
Because to me, I see a lot of things wrong in that video.
Okay.
As much as we no support promiscuity, we dey talk am on this show. We don talk am several times.
Yeah.
And as much as I no support infidelity in marriage, both on the part of the man or the part of the woman. But I want us to really talk about the video itself. You understand? The how do I put it now? The concept of the video itself. Is that what concept?
Yeah,
is
right.
it proper?
Yeah,
the concept of the video itself. You understand? If it is really, really needful, to do such to those two people. You understand me now? Make we not talk too much. I want make una take the video, make una watch the video. When we come back, they will come talk about that video as we supposed talk about am.
Wetin make una sit down for here so? Mama Purity. Mama Purity, wetin make una sit down like this so? Huh? Wetin make una sit down like this?
Wetin make you and this man sit down together?
Okay.
Huh? Are you a married woman?
I never married.
You born for the man wey dey with
The
her.
man wey you with are dey my house.
You dey with the man, you dey with her.
Na boy go for am. Okay. Papa Bashir, are you a married man? Huh? Yes. This woman wey you with are the romance, so na your wife? But you know say na another man wife. You know say na another man wife. Huh? You know why you go to Mama Purity? This Papa Basit and your guy, which one sweet pass?
Don't talk your truth because you don't marry. No, talk your truth.
Which one sweet pass? No, mention your name. Which one sweet pass? Okay. Papa Basit, Mama Purity and your wife, oh, which one sweet pass?
Talk your truth.
Okay. Now your wife, now so Mama Purity, you know they sweet you. Show na wedding
Go na
ring.
wedding ring.
Go na take wear today. Show your wedding ring.
Take away. Oya, muna carry una near each other. Carry una near each other. Carry una near each other. So, as you do wedding with this man, so now, say your man don't come down now. Yes or no? Huh?
This one,
Your man
this
don't
one
come
now, this wedding one I will do so now for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer,
Yes or
in
no?
sickness and in health. Oh yeah, kiss your bride. Mama Purity, kiss your bride.
Give me that cake.
Kiss your bride. Kiss your bride.
For me, you don't see the video now. As much as it dey laughable, at the same time, it dey very, very serious. Now, serious matter.
It's a blessed marriage.
I say you may kiss your husband. Bobby, you don't see the video.
Yeah, but I don't see how.
Wetin you make out of that video?
Well, boss, as long as you know, say we dey always talk am for inside portmanteau, say we know they support promiscuity, we know they support infidelity in marriage. It's good for both parties to keep their marital vow. If you know they okay with person, make you just tell am pull am out, pull out of such marriage. If you know the marriage is no longer workable, we know they preach say endurance or no, because if you are not longer enjoying it, if you go see a therapy and it's not working, then you do the needful. But to the jump one marital bed to another, down, it no make sense. It's not good for the marriage. But the concept wey we see so bros, now two mature people dey behind the door. They do the innuendo. It is two mature people, and if you check the video very well, the testimony of the lady proved that she never marry. wetin the girl wey dey put her inside house say dey do why e never go pay her bride price up till now. Say the guy just dey chop dey lick honey honey wey be say e never go pay. You see what they've done is wrong.
Okay.
Infringement of their rights, of their space. If anything happen, if you are legally married to the woman, you go to court and suit for divorce on the grounds of infidelity. But why are you bringing them to the public notice when you yourself you are harboring in nonsense? In African value, we don't recognize that. Even we don't. We are respectable. We respect the marital institution.
Yeah.
And if you've not gone through the process, stop. That woman is not his wife. That woman is not his wife. And on the part of that man, he is the one who is cheating, of course. Yes. But exposing them, putting videoing them and bringing it to public notice, it's a show of shame. It's nonsense. They can sue those people.
Honestly.
And if they have good lawyers on good grounds, they will win.
Yeah, they can sue them for defamation.
Yes.
Image defamation.
Yes.
You know, like I said earlier on, as much as it is a laughable case, issue, but at the same time, it's a very serious thing. You know, in this part of the world, we do take things overboard.
Yes,
you understand? Now, we don't censor the things we do.
Yes.
You understand? And that is because of our lack of a viable judicial system. If we have a viable judicial system, everybody involved in that video will be dancing to the tunes of the law.
Yes.
By now. Yes. Because to me, that is image defamation. Yes. Like I said before, I no support what they do. I no support infidelity. You don't talk am. I don't talk am once. You talk am two. I don't talk am the third time. I no support infidelity. You get what I'm saying? Now, like what you said, the testimony of the lady, she said it publicly and openly. I'm not married. The guy, I born pikin for her because they call her Mama Purity. You understand? The case now concern Mama Purity.
Mama Purity.
Mama Purity now can go they do wetin no come make purity pure.
Mama Purity do it pure.
Mama Purity go they do wetin not pure. You understand? So, but Mama Purity talk and say he not marry the man.
Yes, never.
And that is because the man never pay her dowry. He just dey live with the man. And on that basis, Mama Purity get case.
Yes.
You get, like I said, I no support infidelity. You understand? But Mama Purity get case. You know, but that other man, you get what I'm saying now? Now that man and I be the issue.
If you don't, if the wife is sue for divorce.
For divorce.
Yes.
Because wetin the man do is wrong.
Yes.
You understand? You know, say this woman they live with one man and she don't born for that man. So why you go the Girikpam and the Suswanu, the woman? You get what I'm trying to say now? It's very wrong. As much as that issue is a laughable issue, at the same time, the act is very, very wrong. You understand? We have to respect each other and respect each other's marriage. Forget to say we be neighbor. Respect my marriage and respect your wife too. You know, it gets some useless question where some of those people call they ask Mama Purity. You know, and now that one I make me see Mama Purity now as permit me to use the word person wey no get sense. I tell you, because they ask Mama Purity, this one and this one, which one like her fast? Mama Purity say this one I like her fast. They ask the other
Mama Purity,
this one and this one, which
this
one like her fast?
Papa Basit
And
your guy, which one sweet
Mama
pass?
Purity I not get sense. You understand what I trying to say?
They take advantage.
They
Which one
take
sweet
Mama
pass?
Purity they can't scores.
No, mention his name. Which one sweet pass? Okay. Papa Basit, Mama Purity and your wife, which one sweet pass?
You know, and that
Because they
man,
wash clothes.
and you know the part where comes with me pass, where I believe say is one of the things where they do the only one thing where I say they do right for that video. Now say they wed the two of them. I was so happy. Yeah, I was so happy. Say they wed the two of them. They catch them. Shebi two of them love una self. Oh yeah, na mo na marry. You understand? Mo na marry. Na mo people say you don't marry.
When I call it officially.
Officially, the compound people marriage them now. They put ring. You know, see the ring. They even say you may kiss your husband.
But you see one tone, maybe say they ask them, And maybe say it's a sorry case anyway. And I discovered that I think poverty is the root of a lot of infidelity in homes. Yes, I must. The responsibility of a man is enormous. So you know, he say they cook indomie
because of Indomie. Baba
Basit when they get access.
How much be
Indomie?
Now Baba Basit, now Mama Purity now take go the Gogolobo with Baba
nipple.
Basit.
Maybe she dey hate chef. Anytime you say the husband don't come out the supposed abora, the
Abora, not be husband.
Maybe don't come out. The woman go dey hungry with her children.
With her children, with
She
purity.
has, you know, and I've seen a lot of cases like that. Maybe say the woman go dey hungry for house. The man wey put them for house no go feel dey responsible to take care of them. Maybe say the woman come dey jump from one bed to another. Jump from just to sustain the belle.
You made a very vital point. You made a very vital point. Man wey no say no fit take care of woman, you no need to put am for house.
I tell you, come
Let the woman dey her parents' place.
Yes.
You get what I'm saying
Until
now?
you are ready.
Yes.
Don't go and ready another person's
No.
innuendo, you know.
Yeah, man wey never ready, wey no say no fit provide. Because
Yes.
if you look at now, you say Mama Purity say the man dey give her money to take cook. You get? He say the man dey
Say if you
Baba
wash for
Basit.
the man, he go give her money.
If he wash cloth, they pay am. You understand? And that is, I'm sure, with all her testimonies, now it means say the man where they are born and where she born for, not even fit they provide for
No, take
her.
care of him, yes.
You
It's
understand?
obvious.
So men where no say they not fit provide for woman, why they put woman for house?
House.
Not put her for house.
Wait till
Yes.
when you have everything it takes.
Yes,
And
man.
when everything it takes, don't be say you build house of it. No. At least you have something regularly income that can take care of a woman.
But God bless you, because I can't notice say woman where you marry put for house. You know say not really dey logically. If you look at logically, it not dey hard to take care of your wife.
At all.
It not dey hard.
Doesn't take the whole world.
Just provide her with the basic things.
Yes.
Any other thing, and na luxury.
I tell you.
And if you cannot afford the luxury, let her understand.
It's gradual.
Say,
It's a
Mama,
process.
now like this, now like this. We are in a journey. We'll get there.
Yes.
You understand? Not be say you can't go dey maltreat her. You know if you provide for her, can't dey subject her to wetin Mama Purity dey pass through. Can't push Mama Purity go dey do wetin she do so.
No, you can't push the woman to the do blah blah with
Yeah, it's not-
other men for
it's not-
compound
it's
for
not-
the same compound
It's not a good thing.
for yard.
For yard.
Even man say for
yard.
now the same yard. Oh.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, na so we take care with between Mama Purity and Baba Basit. They just dey gbogolobo, and Mama Purity come out openly talk say her husband never marry her.
Yeah,
She just born for am. You understand? He never marry her. So true, the man no really get claim over Mama Purity. Mama Purity still get right over her body.
Yes.
You know, but as she come go dey do am within or with another married man, so na no call pure inside the matter. So Mama Purity now where born purity, God dey make us doubt the purity of purity. You understand? All right, ladies and gentlemen, we will hand the matter there. In case you get anything where you want to talk on top Mama Purity and Baba Basit matter, hit our WhatsApp number today. Scroll on top the screen so make you let us hear your own advice for Mama Purity and their papa, because to me now they don't marry them. So Mama Purity now go dey live with Papa Basit. How Mama Basit go come dey feel inside out now? Papa Basit now don marry 2 wives. Now welcome back to the Portmanteau today. This one that's where we dey tell us say they always get delivered to chook mouth for all the matters where other programs dem no dey fit chook mouth put. Bobbio, the second matter wey we dey take on top the Portmanteau today, na wetin happen recently. Recently, Mr. President tweeted a tweet. Okay. You know, where get everybody talking. You know, the tweets caught everybody unawares, and everybody felt that is not the kind of a tweet an elder statesman, you know, in a troubled country like Nigeria, you know, should be tweeting. Talk less of the president of the country. You know, the tweet generated a lot of argument, a lot of comments and commentaries, you know, ran on that tweet. You understand? I don't want to make we go into that tweet. You know, say last Twitter deleted the tweet because it was insightful. You get and then when Twitter deleted the tweet, a lot of people begin to talk. Government people, Oga Lai Mohammed, you know, come begin to talk. Say Twitter na anti-government. I bet he call it.
Say they are suspecting Twitter.
They are suspecting Twitter
to be adding their voice to the agitation of the Biafra
of the IPOB people. Yes. You know, so that one touch the pain. Then let me every day tell them say why they vex if Twitter fit delete full Donald Trump account. Donald Trump will delete him full account. How much more President Muhammadu Buhari tweets? Now let him tweet they delete. Now not be say they delete him full account. Share your understand. I try talk. So
Twitter get policy.
They get policy now. Not be anyhow app now.
Yes.
You know, Twitter not be app where person fit just the play with anyhow. They get policy and they stand by their policies. You know. So after that tweet, Mr. President came up with a broadcast. You know, where he talked a lot, you know, about people that are trying to destabilize the government, people that are trying to give the government bad name, you know, and the insecurity matter that is being talked about both within Nigeria and outside Nigeria. You get what I try to talk now. You know, inside that in broadcast, we call the talk, say, they run this country according to the constitution of Nigeria. You understand? Make we before we come talk, put chook mouth inside the matter. Make we just watch that Mr. President broadcast. When we come back, we'll come chook mouth inside that broadcast when Mr. President make. You know,
it is very clear that intend to make sure that this administration fails. I'm getting good intelligence report on daily basis. The question of insecurity in the country is being mentioned all over the world, not only here in Nigeria. But I believe there are Nigerians that will attempt at least to be fair by what I believed, that I will run the country according to the Constitution. Now, with all these people who want power, whoever they are, have they proved that I was not following the Constitution? Well, am I not leading the country according to the Constitution? What do they want? I had one impression which gave me a lot of hope and confidence to continue the way I wanted.
Right, now the video be that we see where Mr. President not be like saying they lament, it not be like say in the thing they pain am, and it not be like say the thing no pain am in mood, you know, in mood. You know, during that broadcast, you know, didn't say much. You know, I didn't see much commitment to that, to his speech. His body language is far different from what his mouth was saying. You understand what I'm saying now? Because if person they talk, as in they talk, so the thing suppose they pepper am. Suppose they show the body language suppose correspond with wetin in mouth they talk. You know, but in mouth they talk one thing, in body language they too relaxed. As far as I am concerned, you know, but like wetin I dey tell you, say wetin we wan consider inside that in broadcast na wetin talk say in dey run Nigeria according to the constitution.
Boss, wetin president talk for there, it shows that our constitution, the constitution that is running our democracy, that we are the backbone of our governance, of our living as a people, as a nation, is faulty. If the president is saying he has been acting according to the constitution and is stating it clearly that he has not been doing anything outside the constitution, then that constitution that constitutes him as the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria is faulty. Bros, the constitution is biased. It is too sectional, full of a lot of loopholes. The lacuna set in the constitution is deliberate to keep feeding fat some set of people against the interest of the total people, total interest of the people of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. If you check out the history of this constitution, it was written by the military to serve democracy, and that we should keep walking in that line is total gibberish. I believe that Mr. President may be right. He may have been working in accordance with the Constitution. Truthfully. And it is in a big question that this Constitution is not serving the interests of our people, of Nigerians. Because there is no progress in any sector. A constitution is to guide and help a nation develop and grow, and help a government to curb all kind of excesses that could come into bearing. But instead, we are seeing reverse. Corruption upon corruption only serves some interest of some set of people. Tribal irresponsibility in all. In fact, this is the most absurd constitution on the planet Earth. The review of this constitution is uncalled for. Is that one of my lecturers back then when I was in university? He said, and I quoted him, he said that there is this popular Chinese adage that you cannot build anything on a rotten wood. You not fit build anything for wood wey don rot.
Not possible.
You go set aside that wood. You can't rebuild on a fresh wood, on a good wood. That is what Nigeria needs right now. The reviewing is to benefit some set of people.
Again.
Who are the people being selected to review? Is it the common man? Is it the common man's interest? It will keep suffering the interest of these politicians. Is it Nigeria? Did they take us for cruise? I tell you. We are talking about brain drain every day. People are living to better countries that respect the constitution. The constitution serves their interest. Constitution is supposed to uphold us as a people, and is supposed to guide us, make us better, and not go against us. But if the president is saying this now, we should start talking about how the president has been going against the constitution. If we start that one for this show, we not go hand down on cases and issues. Disrespect to the rule of law. So what are we talking about? I don't know. Our politicians think we are dead-headed. Say we don't know what they do. They will just serve us with anything and they will go take.
It's painful. Oh.
So painful.
Bobby, it's painful. If Mr. President in national broadcast that he is running this country according to constitution, and this country is like this, that means that constitution is not worth running a country with. Are you getting me now?
Yes, boss.
Let's look at the genesis or the beginning of this constitution. This constitution was handed over to Nigeria by an illegitimate government.
Yes.
The military government. And these military men or these military guys, as at that time, drafted this constitution to suit them, to suit their government, and to suit their ambition, their further ambition. And you can see that is the exact role the constitution is playing. This constitution is not drafted to cater for the masses of Nigeria.
Yes.
Are you getting me now? It's drafted to cater for the few that can break into that their cadre. And that is why you see the porousness in our National Assembly. Because they are also being guided by this same constitution we are talking about. They can't do much because this constitution is what is guiding their operations. Are you understanding me now? Now, if Mr. President say he's running Nigeria based on this illegitimate constitution, and the impression they gave us in the beginning of this administration during their campaign was that they know the root cause of Nigeria problem and they want to bring solution to it, and they know that the constitution is one of the root cause of Nigerian problem. Why have they not done anything about this constitution since 2015 that they assumed office? Are you seeing it now?
Yes.
Okay, now they are calling for constitutional review. You are running a country based on this constitution, and look at the way the country look. It's not looking good. It's not looking healthy.
It's not. It's sick.
You understand what I'm saying now? Now you say they should come and review. What are you reviewing? If something is not working for you, is to scrap it and look for a better one.
Yes.
I expect Mr. President in his broadcast, if truly he know that the constitution is the problem of this country, in his broadcast to say, look, as we speak, we have employed experts to sit down and draft us a new constitution. Governor Ifeanyi Okowa of Delta State, he said we don't need constitutional reform or review. Any which way, either reform or review, we don't need it. He said this constitution should be totally scrapped. Let's come together as a people and draft another constitution that will cater for the generality of the masses of Nigeria. Not this one that is favoring only certain sets. And that is why you see is that same certain group that are always occupying one position or the other in this country. Are you getting me now? So it's very bad, it's very painful, and it's very absurd. Running a country on a constitution that was given by the military. I have not had this in anywhere in the world. It's only in Nigeria here.
It is a historic case. It's high time our leaders start to see governance as a sole responsibility to change the face of how people live in our country. Based on integrity, based on value, enough of the business. You know that the problem we're having, one of the major problems is this constitution written. It is a very useless constitution that cannot help anything grow
At all.
It is so painful. We are talking about brain drain every day. People are leaving this country to better countries. When do we start to get pride in our own country? Things are not working well. And these people keep using us as a bait. They keep doing business as usual.
One thing, sorry boss, one thing I want us to even confirm. You understand?
Yes,
one thing
boss.
I want us to even talk about is this. Is it review or reform we want? Or total scrap and come up with a new constitution? Are you getting me now?
Yes.
We don't need review of this constitution.
At all.
This constitution is bad.
Totally bad.
There is nothing good about it. So don't even look at it. Just pack it up and come up with a new constitution that will cater, like we said earlier on, for the generality of the masses of Nigeria. That will give everybody equal rights and equal opportunity in our country.
In our country.
Yes, that is what we call for. Not reform, not review.
And this is one of the root of the problem that people keep agitating for their own sovereign states. Because of this kind of things.
Yes.
No. There's a need for our government to sit down together and tell themselves the truth.
The truth.
Enough,
because somebody once said, he said this, our politicians, they are enjoying the sickness or the weakness of Nigeria.
Yes.
It's favoring them, and that is why they don't want to do what we heal or what we cure this country.
Yes. Some people's business.
It's favoring
So they
their
want
business.
to hold it. They want to hold it.
You know,
They don't want to let it go.
And we are talking the other day. Mr. President said he's running the country based on constitution. Honorable Minister for Information, you know, and information, yeah.
Yes.
Ogalai Mohammed was saying that you cannot score this administration based on only insecurity. You understand me now? If the president is running this country based on constitution and there is this massive insecurity in the land, and you are saying we cannot score this administration based on insecurity, so what else is the basis that we are going to score this administration with? If there is insecurity in the land.
Insecurity affects all sectors.
Tor.
If there is no if you are not well secured in a country, the investors will not come.
Tor.
And it will affect every sector of the federation. It's been spelled out in agriculture, in all sectors. I am of the opinion that this constitution review is not necessary, but a total scrap and rewrite. If indeed they are sincere, we need to rewrite our own history by giving us a democratic constitution devoid of bias and sectionalism.
Honestly, where you go know say this constitution get problem? Where you go know say get serious problem? This constitution it carry problem for nobody.
Where?
Now for even the review, where Senator Oluremi Tinubu then call for constitutional review, he quarrel dey again. They call somebody thug. Senator Tinubu Oluremi Tinubu dey call another woman talk for this same constitution matter. We say one come review this constitution. So na there you go know say this constitution get problem.
It get spiritual root.
Both spiritual problem, every problem like this constitution carry.
They don't want make some people participate.
Yeah.
They want shut out some people.
They say make dem no consider they come late. Meanwhile some other people other top government officials wey they go put back door for them. Na it cause that quarrel.
What's interest? What's interest? Is it in the interest of a common man?
Attire.
Don't. In fact.
So ladies and gentlemen, that is the much we can take on this matter. Like we dey tell una say the time on top the show not the show not the reach us TikTok as we wan talk inside all this matter one after the other. That is why we dey implore una say make una follow us on all our social media platform. If you wan follow me on top social media, my Instagram and Twitter handle na @TheRealTalkTalk alphabet DREALTALKTALK. That's The Real Talk. And on Facebook, you fit connect with me. My page na Osagiato Talk OSAGIATORTALKTALK. Boss, if they wan follow you.
Yes, boss. My own name na Bamidele Belu. Everybody call MC Bob. For Instagram, I am MC Bob 9ja. Then on Facebook is Bamidele Belu MC Bob Bamidele Belu. Also on YouTube it is MC Bob 9ja, as well as on Twitter MC Bob 9ja.
And so if you dey of the opinion, you let us know which divide you fall in. If you have the opinion say make dem reform this constitution where we dey carry dey go, so hit our WhatsApp number as e dey scroll on top the screen, so make you let us know. And if you want make dem scrap this constitution totally, make dem give us new constitution wey go cater for the mass generality of the masses of this country, oya na hit our WhatsApp number, make you let us know your mind. Bobby, na so we go take question generator on top the show today. You get anything wey you wan tell us?
The way I just want to talk is make our government just consider say ìgbẹ̀yìn lójú ẹ̀sán ake.
That's a big word. Before we go, don't forget say if you be Naija anywhere where you dey, make you dey rep this country well. Not follow them put hand for wetin go spoil this country name. Not do drugs because not get any better thing where they do for body. But before you start your motto, you dey talk just now say we know they talk and only for Naija again. Now make a drop for Amoyos go. You say now only for Naija. Or Naija police I go carry suspects go beer parlor go dey write statements.
Oh God, you too life flexing.
So